Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your social media content directly on your site, keeping your visitors engaged with fresh, dynamic posts from your Instagram account. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left side menu and you'll see an option labeled website. Click on it, and underneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Click that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit if you have multiple sites under your account. Select the appropriate one, then look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click it to open your site editor. This is where all the customization and building happens. Once the editor loads, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top of the screen. This tab gives you access to all the tools and elements you can add to your site. Next, focus on the left side menu and find the section called Installed Apps. Under that section, click on Add App. This action will redirect you to the Weebly App Store, where you can browse and add various integrations to enhance your website. In the App Store, use the search bar to type in Instagram. You'll see a couple of options appear. If you have a premium Weebly account, you can select InstaShow for more advanced features. However, if you're looking for a free option, simply click on Instagram Feed. This app works perfectly for displaying your Instagram content without any cost. After selecting Instagram Feed, click the Add button. A prompt will appear asking you to connect the app. Click Connect, then navigate back to your editor page. You'll notice that Instagram Feed now appears in your Installed Apps section on the left side menu. This means the app is ready to be placed on your site. To add it to your page, simply drag the Instagram feed element from the Installed Apps section and drop it wherever you want it to appear on your website. Once it's placed, click on the element and select Instagram. You'll be prompted to log in to your Instagram account to authorize the connection. Just enter your login details, and that's it. Your Instagram feed will now display live on your Weebly website, automatically updating with your latest posts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.